Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to connect Zapier with Google Sheets. So first log into your Zapier account here, as I'm already logged in with my Google account. So go and click on plus icon here, create, choose Zaps. Now head over to Trigger and head over to Apps and search for Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets. If it is your first time connecting Google Sheets to Zapier, Zapier will ask you to connect your Google account. So here, click on Sign In and choose your Google account. Grant permission to the for Zapier to access your Google account. And finally, choose an event for your connection and click on Continue. In this way, you successfully connected Zapier Google Sheets and created new automation. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.